Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna make butter chicken. Actually I set up a little counter here for the vlog. So I'm gonna make only little portion here and then the big portion for my children over there on the cooker. Because I ordered the wrong stove. I spent so much money on the stove and it's the wrong stove. It's only take this kind of material. So if you so anyone who ordered Tefal this stove, so it's only except that one, this material. The rest they reject all the materials. So first of all, this is only half of the breast. As I told you, I'm cooking only little portion, and I'll marinate this first. So I'm using my butter masala. It's from Ahmed Food. Well, you can buy from any brand. I just buy whatever I like. Just about 1 spoon chicken butter chicken masala. Little bit crushed garlic and little bit ginger and just 1/4 spoon chili and 1/4 spoon black pepper. I'll mix that and leave it at side. And I leave it for 15 minutes. Half a spoon salt. और अब मैं इसको एक साइड पे 15 मिनट के लिए रख दूंगी. जब तक ये रहेगा मैं तब तक अपनी और चीज़ें रेडी कर दूंगी जो इस इंग्रेडिएंट्स में आएंगी. Cut coriander really fine chop. Because my portion is very small, so I don't need too much coriander. That will do, okay? And chop green chili. 2 green chili is enough, okay? And 1 onion is enough. So this is, I'm talking about only 1 breast, okay? For 1 breast, these are the ingredients which is enough. Small chopped onion. Only 2 tomatoes. If it's this size tomato, 1 should be enough for 1 breast. Because I'm using only 1 breast, so I think 2 tomato will be enough. 1 is not enough. Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 tomatoes. This is for my gravy. So this recipe is in 2 parts. One, the marination of chicken, and another one is to make gravy. That's it. That's my ingredients. So chop coriander, chop tomato, not 2 small sizes, chop 1 onion, and chop 2 chili. My chili is here. Chop 2 chili. The whole thing is this because I only got suitable this pan for this stove. That's why I'm making small portion. I put my pan on and just a little bit oil. Okay? I have to do it. So just a little bit oil. And I put one of the breast. And you can see I cut it like that kind of big pieces, not small pieces, okay? Because of the thing, is it?
Yeah.
Because of the pan, that's all.
Yeah, it's just the material. Otherwise, it's really
Really good.
yeah.
But the material, because you need to buy a special material for that. Yeah, because I checked the review. The review was very good for this stove. But that's the bad thing, that you have to buy a special pan for that. Now who's gonna buy the whole pan? And my pan is my favorite. I just add a little bit oil more because this stove is new for me and I don't know how it's working. Oh, the smell is amazing. Keep stirring because you only gonna cook it like for 5 minutes, okay? Not too long. So after 5 minutes, my chicken is ready. I'm gonna transfer that to the dish. And now, in the same pan, I don't need to change the pan. In the same pan, I'm gonna put some more oil for my onion in. As well as my tomato, my green chili, carrot, I don't need to change the pan, and I'm gonna cook that on the slow fire. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon crushed garlic, actually 1.5 teaspoon, and because we add salt to the chicken as well, so just 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 teaspoon sugar. I'm going to put just a little bit, about 1 spoon butter, because it's butter chicken. 1 spoon butter and a little bit black pepper and a red chili, and I'm gonna put again my chicken butter masala, just about 1/2 teaspoon. That's all. Keep stirring. And now I'll put 1/2 cup water. I try to make this as a nice gravy, okay? So let it cook for at least 7 to 10 minutes. So 5 minutes is done, but I'm still cooking it up until it's a little bit more done. So for another 5 minutes I'm gonna cook this. I'll transfer all the mixture to the another pan. And the same pan I'm gonna cook again. Then gonna let me off this. Okay, so I'm gonna make this like a puree. So I'm making this mixture as a puree. My puree is done now. So I pour all my puree in a sieve and I make sure that's the same pan which I cook all the mixture. I'm taking everything. Keep doing it until only a little tomato things left. That's all we want. The rest we want to go in this. This kind of puree you go for the butter chicken now. Now I'm gonna put my stove on again. Okay, she's on. Now, because it's butter chicken, we're gonna put some butter, about that much butter, again garlic paste, a little bit ginger paste. So actually 3 times we put garlic and ginger, once in the chicken, once when we're making puree, and now when we come to the final stage. Butter and about 3 big tablespoons double cream.
She's not making a mess either.
Yeah. On this point, I'm gonna put a little bit red chili again, because we take all the, we sift the things, so loads of our masala we waste in the when we sifting all the things. So I'm gonna put a little bit chili. That's all. Chili's there. and I'll put all my fried chicken, my stir fried chicken, my shallow fried chicken, sorry, in this. Let it cook for some time. Chicken is all ready. Alhamdulillah. You can see all the butter on top. I cooked it like for 10 minutes and it's all ready. Okay, now top of that I'm gonna put a little bit when I serve. So I put a little bit coriander and just a tiny bit cream again. And this is butter chicken ready. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with roti, you can eat it with chapati, naan, whatever you want. If you like my recipe, please comment below. I see you until my next vlog. Allah Paman. Well, anyway, my butter chicken is ready. Sorry about no gupshup because we were stressed. Everything was new, and like, you know, when you used with your own kitchen, your own stuff, and then if it's changed, everything is so messed up. And I'm kind of person with a proper OCD, so even my one masala boxes from here and there, I just bad. So now me and Nafia, the weather is so nice. We're sitting in our garden. It's exactly mess now. And now I show you my butter chicken. So the butter chicken is ready, and Nafia and me, we both trying our butter chicken. Let me show you how good is that. So let me, well, I like butter chicken with white rice, but it's up to you guys, okay?
Chicken with rice.
Alhamdulillah, it's amazing, honestly.
Oh damn it!
No good for little children because it's a bit chilly, but if you want to make it for little children, just you know, skip the green chili, okay? Okay, thank you for watching, and honestly I love you guys comments, and all of you love. The sun is right on my face, and it's beautiful weather, alhamdulillah. So jazakallah for watching, and inshallah see you next vlog. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Allah Paman.